And so this is the Mi MIX Fold, Xiaomi's first ever foldable phone, and probably a facelift to the Mi MIX series. How about let's dive into this gadget and unbox this phone. So guys, we have here the box of the Mi MIX Fold, and right now we're going to unbox it and share to you part by part of this phone. We all have been anticipating the release of the Xiaomi Mi Mix, and here in my hands is the Mi Mix Fold. So this kind of took me by surprise. I was expecting for a Mi Mix 4, but instead, it is the Mi Mix Fold. Only in just a different spelling. 4 and fold. Well, sounds the same. But it is, well, a different beast on its own league. Right now, it has intact the very same design box, and it's a little bit thicker this time around as compared to that of the Mi Mix 3. So how about let's cut it open with my trusty blade. Okay, so already opened the box, and let's see how to open this. It's probably a slide out as usual. So let's slide the fold out. So we always see this slogan from Xiaomi, always believe that something wonderful is about to happen. And it's a fold indeed. So we will fold it open like that. Innovation for everyone, as their slogan says. So underneath, there's an open tab over here. So let's simply open it. As always, the Mix series, there's a message from CEO Lei Jun, which says, on the way to explore, continuous investment, continuous efforts, continuous breakthrough. Even if only 1%, we are willing to invest 100% more. Lei Jun. So behold, this is the Mi Mix Fold. So this is not the first in the market, but it's the first for Xiaomi for the Mix series. So I'm more than honored to open this, and let's try to get the phone. There's some safety reminders over here, which are all printed in Chinese. So at the back, you can see Mix Fold, camera setup, and the NFC is pretty much here. So before all that, let's see what other things are inside the box. You can see that it has, we can see there's a phone case in here. Let's see what it looks like. It is two-piece indeed. So let's see how good it is. So it's a chrome finish. It's really looking nice. Very premium looking. So we expect the same for the other side. It's also chrome finish. You can see it's transparent and chrome on the side, which makes it looks very elegant. Made of plastic. Then we have the user guide over here. Inside, we also have the Type-C cable. See? And here comes the SIM ejector pin. Here is the Type-C cable. And we have the adapter over here. It's a 67 watts powered charging brick. Okay. So before I forget, there's a Mix Fold VIP service card for you, and this is the number to dial. So much for the unboxing. So right now, we'll dive right into opening this phone. I'm excited and pretty much afraid that it might be fragile. This phone is pretty new to me. I have yet to explore the wonder of the folded phones and have yet to use one. So it's kind of exciting. So right now, we have opened and peeled off. Just look at it. Oh my. It looks so fantastic. Just look at it. Behold the Xiaomi Mi MIX Fold. Triple camera setup, screen in the front, and a screen inside. Just look how good it is. Fingerprint scanner is on the side. Mix. As you can see, it's been a while since Xiaomi released their Mix. The third edition came out probably 2 years back. And right now, they're back in the fold, having a new design. So you can see the Mix Fold runs MIUI 12. So let's set it up. So now we can see this is the Mi MIX Fold. So it's like having a mini Mi Pad inside your pocket. You know, guys, it really kind of reminds me a lot about the Nokia communicator back then, wherein you can fold it like this. When you open it, you can type it just like a regular keyboard. So I'm really excited. So behold, this is the Mi MIX Fold. So this is how it looks on the back. You can see the Mix print is pretty much here. And let's see how it looks on the other screen. There you go. This is the second screen up front, which is for me very, very nifty. It's like a compressed version of smartphone these days, wherein it looks a little bit taller, and honestly it really reminds me a lot of the Nokia 9500 communicator, which is really something looking like this way back then. So you can see everything's pretty much here. Swiping left and right is very, very smooth. So yeah, let's try to see some settings. You can see right here, it's running MIUI 12, and of course definitely it should be running the Android 11. So you can see it's a Mi MIX Fold. It has 12 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of storage, which is pretty much whopping. You can see, guys, it's 512 gigs of storage, which is pretty much more than enough for me. So taking a quick look Around the side, you can see here probably lies the ribbon. It says that innovation for everyone. On top, we have speakers, loudspeakers by Harman Kardon. Of course, still intact is the IR and the noise cancellation mic on top. Scrolling on the other side, you have your SIM ejector tray, your power button / fingerprint scanner, and of course your volume rocker. And at the bottom, more speakers. So probably this has 4 speakers and USB Type-C charging port, and of course your microphone in. At the back, definitely it's your camera, and very nice, and of course a very nice glass finish. So to take selfies, definitely you have to use this camera up front, but you can always use the camera when you're opening the phone, like this. Okay, so it gives you a pretty big view, guys. It's really nice, it's really huge. I'm really impressed with the camera and the display. It's so freaking awesome. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click that bell icon so you don't miss any future videos here from my channel. So I hope to catch you on the next one. Goodbye.